Hey guys, we've got a 2016 Chevrolet Tahoe and I want to show you how to watch the transmission temperature. In order to watch the transmission temperature, what you need to do is you see the check mark and you see the arrows. When I say up or down, these will be the two arrows I'll be using. When I say left or right, these will be the two arrows I'm using. So what we do is come down to get the data display. And what we're going to do first is we are going to go to the left, and that will bring us out to the info page. We will go up to info and we will push a check mark. So that brings us into the information center, and what we will do from there is we will just scroll down. So as we scroll down, you will see the different options that you can watch, and there's our transmission fluid temperature. Now, if you do not have the transmission fluid temperature in that display, then what I want to show you is you will go back to the information. You'll want to scroll down to settings, and you will push the check mark in the middle, and what it'll bring up is the information page. Now from here you will click to the right. When you get to the active information pages, what you will do is you will scroll down. You see the check mark in the box beside the unit that you want to watch. You see transmission fluid temperature, and there's a check mark. Now if I was to push the check mark out here, then you can see that the check mark disappeared. If I push it again, then it shows back up. So if it is unchecked, then that is the reason that your transmission fluid temperature is not showing up on the information page. So let me show you. I will leave it unchecked. I will click to the right and I will come back out. I'm going to click to the right one more time, and then I'm going to scroll up to the info page. I push the check, and as I scroll down, you will notice that the transmission temperature is no longer on the display. Okay, so that's how you pull up your transmission temperature on a 2016 Chevrolet Tahoe. This is Codeman's Auto. Please like and please subscribe.